this is as good a place to start a video as any, I guess. It's early in the morning. We found an Econo Lodge last night. I'm doing this here at this old gas station. But we found an Econo Lodge last night. Stayed there. I didn't sleep too well. I probably got 4 or 5 hours in anyway. We left at 4:30 a.m. It's 5:30 a.m. So we got an hour in already. I don't know if you can see this old gas pump or not, but I had to look at that like, oh yeah, they're simple. I remember how to run one of those, right? So, anyway, we're filled up. We're gonna get rolling. We'll check back in here after it gets daylight out. All right. That better? What? We've made it to Battle Mountain, Nevada, and the sun is finally up. It's a little bit cool this morning, but we stopped and I cleaned the bugs off the windshield. I already got gas this morning. We're good there, but while we were in town, I seen a sheriff drive by, and I asked him if there's a dog park in town, and he told me how to get here. And you know, this will be the biggest long driving day, and it's important, I think, to get Bella out here. And fortunately, this is one of them dog parks that have nice green grass, and she hasn't even been in green grass for a while, so it probably feels good on her paws, and let her stretch her legs these long driving days. As she can get as cramped up as I can sitting too long. So this is out good. She can out sniff around, and no other dogs to play with this morning, but still she can get out and stretch and wander around freely. But yeah, where are we at? Battle Mountain, Nevada, and it's right along. So we've made it up as far as Interstate 80. It's right along here. We got to go about 50 miles west to Winnemucca, I think it's pronounced, and then back on Highway 95 north again. I think we're up in about the top third of Nevada now, so we'll be in Oregon. Probably a couple hours. We'll be in, not Oregon. Yeah, is it Oregon? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna let Bella do her thing for a little bit, and we're gonna get moving. Good morning. Who's there? What do you see? Huh? What do you see? Come here. All right. I think she's all done. Give it a good shake. Give it a good shake. You ready to go? Ready to go? She's ready. She don't know where we're going, but she's ready to get there. Need any more water? A little bit more water? You had enough of that too? There you go. Oh, girl. Okay, you ready to go? All right, let's go. Come on, get in. Bella wants to drive so bad. This car has been getting us around really, really well. And time to go some more. I don't think this has ever happened to me before. I miscalculated on gasoline. We've made it into southern Oregon. And somewhere where we're still in Nevada, I still had over half a tank of gas. I thought, oh, we're good to go for quite a ways. And we drove and drove, and really no gas stations to speak of that I remember. I didn't think it was an issue. But we got up this far, up here to Burns Junction, and it's where the highway goes to the east towards Boise, or up to the west towards wherever it goes. And it's whatever town it said the next gas station, or the next town was, it was a long ways away. And I looked at the thing I like about modern vehicles is it tells you how much mileage is remaining, what range you have. And the town was, excuse me, I think my range was still 75 miles, but the town was like 90 some. So that means we would have run out of gas somewhere about 20 miles before we got to the town. Now, I couldn't see any other gas stations online. There may have been one, but I wasn't for sure. So we backtracked. We went over to, forget the name of the town, 12 miles out of our way to get gas, and then 12 miles back to here. And it would have been convenient if this gas station was still in business, right? This is the junction where you had east or northeast or northwest, but they're out of business. There was a little RV park here somewhere, and a cafe. That doesn't do us any good now, does it? We'll get going. I grabbed a couple more waters out of the trunk and a snack. Not a whole lot of time to, there is a time limit on having the rent-a-car, so not a lot of time for a whole bunch of stopping, but once the car's up there, then the time constraint is over, and I'll be able to do whatever. I've never missed my I miss my RV, and I can't wait to get up to Aja's old RV Panda and unload the car and have some space. And if you want to pull over and take a break after 5 or 6 hours of driving, and you have your home with you. You have accommodations. You can go lay down, take a little break, or you get up, have a snack, make a fresh coffee. This traveling by car, I'm not as fond of. Let's go. We still got quite a ways to go yet, but we're getting there. We're closing in on Washington. We're probably in the northwest, or I don't know, central, north. I don't know, but we're a good ways up in Oregon, probably central. So we're heading northwest here, and it's gonna be a little while yet. It's a good many hours later, a little bit after 4 o'clock. We left. We was getting in a car just about almost exactly 12 hours ago. I think I was putting things in a car. We left at 4:30 a.m. this morning. Took a couple of breaks today. Break for lunch. Drove some more. Drove some more. Took another break. I don't know what we got. Still 6 hours to go. I knew today was going to be the biggest drive today. Well, it is only day 2. I could really, really go for a nice, fresh, hot coffee. That's it. We've made our final stop for gas. We now have enough gas to get up to Terry and Scott's, up and rescue Panda. Now, whether I can drive this last final leg of it yet tonight or not, I don't know. I don't know if I got another 400 miles, 300 miles left of me today or not. It's either make it or lay up at another hotel. I don't know what's going to happen yet. We'll see. Got a nice hot fresh coffee. We'll see. Well, there's a change of scenery. This is feeling a bit more like Washington, although we're in northwestern Oregon. We're almost to Washington. Yeah, the plant, vegetation, plant life, it's all changed drastically. This feels better. It feels like we're getting close, although there's still a couple hours to go. So we'll see how far we make it today. I'd really like to make it and not stay in a motel tonight. Last night I didn't sleep well. All the lights were buzzing and humming, and I had to turn the air conditioner on low just to have some noise to drown it out, So if I can make it to Panda tonight and get all my bedding out and make the bed, it's quiet up there. That'd be nice. I get a good night's sleep. I could use that. But on we go. We're getting on the tail end of the trip up, and this is such a nice way to. This is just really nice to kind of end it up this way. We will not be coming back this way, not in Panda. There's an easier way for sure. But this has just been a nice way to kind of wrap up. The trip is coming through this is Mount Hood National Park and Mount Hood National Forest. And it's just such a beautiful drive. And it's actually nice to be in a car, actually a high performance car. It just handles so well and runs so well. After driving the Bounder for so long, it's been nice to be in this and kind of brush up my driving skills. It's been fun. Well, we're here. We did make it after all. Let's see. Oh, the cover is already off. At least it's sitting there nice and level already. Wow, is that something to see after not seeing for so long? All right, I gotta get situated here somehow. Well, it's been a long day. It's been 18 hours of driving and a couple of breaks, and 930 miles today. That's a record. That's a new record for me driving. I have to get this rental car back tomorrow by noon and get started on Panda, but first I need to get situated and get some sleep. So we will be back tomorrow with updates with Panda, getting her together, getting her ready to go. Thanks for coming along today. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can hear I'm tired. And we'll be back soon. I'll see you.